Hey Capricorn, welcome to my channel Lemon Celtic Tarot. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm gonna do your tarot card reading for the upcoming month. This is a timeless reading. From whenever you are watching this till the next 30 days, it will work for you. And keep in mind that this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Let's begin the reading now. For your cards, here are Ace of Swords in the bottom of the deck, then 4 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 8 of Wands, 3 of Wands, Temperance in reverse, then 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, 2 of Wands and 2 of Pentacles. In the past, you are in love with someone, but they didn't accept your offer and refused you. And right now, you are seeking new loving relationship for yourself, but at the same time your focus is on that person also whom you offered your love. You are still thinking about it, and in the upcoming month your focus will be to just get that person in your life, no matter how sneaky or negative patterns you'll have to use. You just want that person. It has become a matter of your ego, not your heart. And I'm saying that you'll take actions very swiftly for this in the next month. But universe is saying you that you need to leave all the toxic and bad behaviors of yours, which caused loss for you and for people around you also. Universe is saying you not to act on this, or even this is not right time for you to pursue this kind of anything, otherwise it will disrupt your life more than before. You will be needing to face this disharmony and imbalance in your life, which caused you dissatisfaction in your home life, and in the upcoming month you might face less contentment regarding your home life, but you will be needing to do feel good activities in the next month so that you could find peace within yourself and spend time to contemplate on all the things. And Capricorn, think twice before taking any decision. Okay, all the Capricorn sun moon rising out there, universe is saying you to leave all the negative and toxic habits and behaviors and adopt the situation, to accept this change in your life. And while you will work on yourself with pure heart and good intentions, then universe will definitely give you its rewards also. So stay humble always and think positive for others also, because if you think or do negative for others, this always comes back to you. So be positive for yourself and for others too. And you'll be needing to be more caring, friendly for yourself and for others too in the upcoming month. And this will bring ultimate joy into your life. As I'm seeing in your cards, then all the signs are here: fire, air, earth, water. For fire, air, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, and for air, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, and for the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and then the water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. But main signs here, prominent signs are Sagittarius, Cancer, Gemini, Pisces, Virgo and Libra. And for numbers, 2, 3, 8, 1, 4, 7, 9, 10, 11, 14 and 22 might be important for you in the upcoming month. And for colors, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, colors for you: fun green, brown, light turquoise, white, pale yellow or lemon yellow color. Okay, read holy books of your religion. It will calm and guide you at whole level. And white opal stone is beneficial for healthy relationships, but use it after consulting your personal zodiac reading. Okay, and for months January, February, April, June, July, and November might be important for you. So, this was your reading, Capricorn Sun Moon Rising. I hope this was helpful for you. If it does, then like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get the upcoming videos on time. Okay? So, try to be more positive and compassionate with yourself and with others too. With this message, have a good day ahead.